15 years ago, I remember we were the first company that actually had an SDI input rather than FireWire on the cameras, if people even know what that is anymore. So we showed up, it was a proper BNC connector, you were able to get an analog video in, and then eventually SDI and digitized. So we've delivered that over and over again, and have been very successful, and our customers have pushed us, and we're very thankful to them, because without it, we wouldn't be able to be here. As we're evolving now and going into other markets as well, into public safety and security, we're starting to get the push that the broadcast customers have given us are enabling us to innovate continuously in those markets as well. And at the end of the day, a few years ago, when we realized that the baseline of everything is reliability, is around connectivity, it's around security, we decided to build that platform from ground up. And now our broadcast customers are starting to experience that with the Ango 3X and Ango 3, some of the new features that we've been working on, and it comes with very high-end security, very high-end reliability, and extreme resiliency. So when you look at that, it's like, yeah, I'm extremely proud of what we've been able to achieve, and I'm extremely humbled to be part of this team.